Who's going to help Miss Joy build the Joy House? Get your hands up, say me! Go and stretch. Build Joy House. Help me build the Joy House. Pancake. Let's build the Joy House. Help me build the Joy. Nice. Look at this. This is what we want. Look at this. Sing. Let's build the Joy House. Help me build the Joy House. Nice. Who can do it? Nice. Pretty good. Let's practice, practice. Look at that. Practice. Look. I know it hurts. Butterflies. Let's go. Let's build the Joy House. Help me build the Joy House. Who's going to help me build the Joy House? Me. Yeah. Let's build the Joy House. Help me build the Joy House. Head on your feet, guys. Say, hi, Mommy. Peekaboo. Say, hi, Dad. Peekaboo. Say, welcome to the Joy House. Say it. Welcome to the Joy House. Okay, let's go. Next point. Legs up. Keep singing. Let's build the Joy House. Legs up. What's this called? Say pipe. Kiss my knees. Round these stretches. Pull your toes, pull your toes, pull your toes. Let's build the Joy House. Looking good, guys. Sing it. Let's build the Joy House. Help me build the Joy House. So who's gonna focus? Say me. Table. Show me a table. 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 Show me. Catch your leg. Get it up. Woo. Nice. Show me the other leg up. Looking good. Get it up. Get it up. You know the warm up now. Look at that. Fly in the sky. You have to do a back sway. Go back. Go back over there. Higher. I want you up like this.